Hello everybody. I am so happy to be here today and drop this video for you guys. And I want to say a big thank you to all of you, to all my supporters, those who watch my videos. Every single one of you will reach out to me and ask me why I haven't posted anything or what's going on. It's just I got very busy. Nothing to worry about. It's just I got very busy with life. I did not get discouraged. I will never get discouraged just because of all your support. That's gonna be a reason that I will not give up even if I wanted to, guys. Thank you so much. And today, like I already said in the title, I'm dropping a quick video about how I make my Haitian bread. Everybody have their own recipe to do things, and I have a couple, not to say few, but today I will show you like how I make this quick one. It's very quickly for breakfast. I'm making it. 4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Clean my hand, of course, and then mix it all together. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, I have 2 cups of water in a bowl. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yeast. I'm stirring it, mix it real good. Then I will add it to my mixture. But just before that, I want to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil on my mixture because olive oil is unique. I use olive oil on basically everything I do, like on all my dough, like pasta, pizza, empanada. I love olive oil. Only 1 tablespoon. And then I'm gonna mix it all together. And as I mix everything together, I will fill my dough. If it's too soft, I will add more flour, and if it's too hard, I will put a little bit more water. So it's basically as you do it, you feel it with your hand, and you see how to adjust it. And adjustment, like I can already tell, I will absolutely need a little bit more flour because 2 cups of water was a little bit too much. So basically 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of yeast. This is what I use for my mixture in case I miss something. But I will see. If I have enough time, I will put everything on the description box below if I have enough time. But if not, I hope if anybody want to try this recipe, it will be able to follow from my direction. And I just basically put 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour again because my dough is a little bit too soft. And I think I'm probably gonna add another one just to make it, because it's like basically real too soft. You see how sticky it gets to my hand? It's not supposed to be like that. That's not the consistency I'm looking for. If it's like that, it's not right. I just cleaned my working place, and then now I'm rolling my dough to make it really smooth and even. See, it's a lot of work. It's a good exercise, I'm kind of sweating already, but I need that. I need that in my life. See, I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. I'm telling you, I am. Okay, now I call this the perfect bowl. So now I put a little bit olive oil on my bowl, and I'm gonna put my dough on it just so my dough can rest. Cover it with olive oil, and I will put a plastic wrap or whatever you can cover. I think I'm just gonna use something just to cover it and let it rest so my dough can work. And then when I come back, I will show you the result. It's been 1 hour. Look at my dough. See? It's like a huge dough right now. It's just really fluff and soft. So now I'm gonna work on it a little bit more. The more you work it, the better your bread will come out. And this is my spray pen I'm using to spray my whatever you use. I'm using a pizza. This is supposed to be for pizza, but I use it for everything I want. So I just sprayed a bottle, and now I'm gonna start rolling and working my dough a little bit more. Then I will cut it to make my bread. My delicious. It's gonna be so delicious. I like fresh. Anything fresh is better to me. Like, I'm excited. Just the stove is open. It's on. I just turn it on, and then I'm excited because I know the smell just wanna make me feel like eating it. Well, I'm on a diet, of course, but when you make your own stuff and you know how good it is, you can't let diet stop you from eating it. Trust me. So I sprinkle flour everywhere just to make sure that my dough doesn't stick on my working surface. Now I'm rolling it. I'm just making them very small. It's just for my family, my husband, my kid. And make sure that you get everything real close together because it can open. Once it's on the stove, it will open. If you don't get it, it will stick. Sometimes I even wet my finger a little bit to make sure it's all stuck together, a little bit design. It's not really necessary, but I just want to do it to make it look better. And I think I'm probably gonna make about like 4, 5, 6. It's just for the family. And I don't like them to stay for like 3 to 4 days because it get a little hard. So fresh. This is a hard too. I made it. I repeat the process for every single one of them. about to make biscuit. I don't know how to really the people call it, but back home in my country we call it pain sec. I am going to make that. What I'm using is a cover. It's something round. Like I found it on the kitchen. I think it's my water bottle for work. Or you can use whatever, anything round in glass, just to shape it if you wanna try it like me, or if you wanna give it other shape. Like this is what I do. It's nothing special, but it's gonna taste good. And my son usually like it. When I do this with butter or cheese on top, my toddler enjoy it. And I will. That's how I know what it tastes like, because I don't really eat bread. That's what's gonna tell me if I made a good, if how was it, or if it was good, how it did on taste. But even though I know my husband, my uncle, people who I want to tell me how good it was, but I like to know for myself. Now I'm about to put it all on my oven. It's preheated to 375 degrees. I show it at the beginning. And it's been 25 minutes. Let's check them out. Look at that. Look at this. Come on. Look at this. The smell is just killing me. Look at that. Cool. It smells good, and I'm sure it will taste amazing. I will tell you guys, if you try this recipe, please let me know. It's a must try because it's easy and quick. Alright, so if anybody try my recipe, you like it, and let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, so until I see you next time, thank you for watching. Bye.